Hey there! Today I'm excited to talk to you about one of my favorite enrollment kits with doTERRA, and that's our Cleanse and Restore Kit. It's a really solid way to cleanse your body, reboot your system, and lay a very good foundation to build your health routine upon. So the first product that I want to talk about is our Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is actually doTERRA's #1 selling product because it makes such an impact in our entire body system. You have all of your vital minerals, vitamins, nutrients, and your omegas, as well as being chelated with 12 different essential oils that really help support all of your body systems. So it doesn't matter how healthy we're eating with the depleted soils and the mass-produced foods of today. It's so important that you have a powerful supplementation process in place. And what I like about this supplement pack is that it actually is able to be assimilated into your body, so you can feel the difference that it's making. It's not just something that you're gonna pay for every month hoping that it's making a difference. You will feel the difference, and that's why doTERRA actually provides a 30-day money-back guarantee on the Lifelong Vitality Pack because it's that powerful. So I'm super excited for this. This should be a staple in everybody's health routine. The next thing I want to talk about is our Zindecrine complex. Now it actually comes in a soft gel. I just have the oil with me here today, but the soft gel is a little bit more convenient way for you to take that, and it combines the powerful essential oil of rosemary, cilantro, and juniper berry, which are really great for detoxifying the liver and the kidney, helping support those functions. It also has tangerine and geranium, which have purifying effects against all of the unwanted substances that come into the body. We're getting exposed to substances in the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and anything that really comes in contact with our skin. And so this is going to help combat that, as well as all of the free radicals that slow the body system and kind of leave you feeling heavy or sluggish. So we have that in an oil complex, but then the kit also comes with a detoxifying complex that is made of whole food extracts that has a patented enzyme delivery system. So it really helps in, again, cleansing and filtering the functions of the liver, the kidney, the colon, the lungs, and the skin to help your body, cleanse that, but also it supports your organs in their own capacity to rid itself of all of those different toxins and waste products. So I take 2 of those capsules a day as well. Next, I want to go over the Terrazyme. This is a digestive enzyme that has, it's really what it functions as is it helps your body digest the foods that you eat and break down those foods. So it's really important to take this daily, especially if you're eating processed foods or any of those harder to digest things like red meats. And so not only does it help you break that down, but it also helps you pull the more nutrients out of your food. So it's breaking down your proteins, fats, carbohydrates, sugars, fibers, and then again metabolizing those nutrients into energy, so you're getting the full benefit from them. It also has peppermint, ginger, and caraway that help with just kind of tummy taming capabilities from the food that you're eating. Then I want to talk about the GX Assist and the PB Assist. This is a really great way to cleanse your digestive tract, which is so important, your gastrointestinal tract, which is where a majority of our immune system is actually contained. We also have more neurotransmitters in our gut than we do in our brain. So that's why it can also really affect our mood. The GX Assist, in fact, this is a 3-month cleanse. So it's meant to be taken 10 days of the GX Assist with each meal. And this has really powerful oils like oregano, melaleuca, lemon, lemongrass, peppermint, and thyme. It also has caprylic acid, which really supports having that healthy digestive tract as well, and creating an unfriendly environment for those potential threats that might come into the body. And then we follow it with 5 days of the PB Assist, which is a probiotic. It has prebiotic as well as 6 different strains of probiotic, and you get just thousands of CFUs, actually billions. It's 6 billion CFUs of your active probiotic cultures in there, and it's encapsulated in a formula so that it actually reaches the gut. Most probiotics on the market today are killed before they can actually even get to your gut and do their job. So this is really, really important. And in fact, if I'm ever coming down, I feel something coming on, I will even up this just to boost my immune system. Then we have our DDR Prime, which is a powerful blend of essential oils for just healthy cellular reproduction. So I take 2 of these a day. So frankincense, it's really great for free radicals. Wild orange supports healthy cellular response. We have litsea, which is great for cognitive function as well. Thyme, clove, it's our most powerful antioxidant essential oil. In fact, just 1 drop of clove would be equivalent to 40 pounds of carrots as far as antioxidant level. We have summer savory, neoli, lemongrass, and what this is really doing is just helping your cells reproduce in a healthy manner. And if your cells are starting to mutate or break down, then it promotes apoptosis, which is cell death. So those mutated cells die off instead of reproducing that way and spreading throughout your body. And then last, we have a bottle of lemon essential oils, which is one of the best-selling products in doTERRA as well. It's a top-selling oil. And this is really cleansing and detoxifying. So you can add a couple drops to your water. You can use this to clean with, so you're getting rid of all those harsh chemicals in your house. And so I use this on a daily basis. I'm so excited for you guys to get started with this kit and really have a solid foundation for your health routine.